Hey everyone, if you're looking for a free local activity to do with the kids, you don't have to look much further than your local Home Depot, because every first Saturday of the month they offer a free builder workshop for kids that runs from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. And if it's your first time, all you have to do is fill out a short form to register your kids in exchange for an apron and the month's current project. And if tools are necessary, you can borrow them there. Once you pick a spot to work, it usually takes about 30 minutes for the littles to complete their project. But that time really depends on how much you assist them. Our girls really love putting in the initial few nails and screws before asking us to help so they can get to their favorite part, which is painting. That's normally when things go south and the aprons come in handy. But the fact that paint won't end up on your home's walls or carpet is a great benefit to painting at Home Depot. Once they're done, the reward is a cool pin of the project that you can put on their aprons. The kids love collecting them, and Home Depot has a celebratory pin when you collect 10 of them, which our oldest was super proud of. We've gone for years and think it's a great way to let the kids be creative and learn new skills that will help them for the rest of their lives. And it's a win for Home Depot because they're not only making new future customers, but they're also getting the parents in the door who end up buying things like ceiling fans that they didn't even want. We post weekly on things to do throughout California with kids. So check out our playlist and come back soon to see more.
Thanks for watching.